Very, very good morning, children. How are you,
What
children?
you ate, ma'am? Thank you,
How are you all?
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very good, children. Very good. Before starting today's class, let me give this information to you regarding Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay. Tomorrow, 14th November, on the occasion of Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday and Children's Day, we are planning to conduct various competitions. Yes, already you got this message through WhatsApp. Now, school WhatsApp, you already got this message. Okay. Let us see the elocution beta. Topic is ideology of Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, you have to participate in this competition, and storytelling is also there. Storytelling topic is life history of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. You have to record. You have to record your video on the topic life history of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and there is a fancy dress competition also. Okay, for that is for pre-primary to grade 2. Grade 1 and 2 children also can take part in the fancy dress competition. Okay, children, these are the competitions you have to take part. And yoga competition is also there, that is for grade 3. It is grade 3 to 9. But you children, you can take part, okay, in singing. Singing only what? Singing and dancing or mimicry or acting. You can do this. Okay, if you are interested in singing competition or dancing, or you know any mimicry or any acting, you can do, and you can record it and share with the teachers. Okay, that should be singing and dancing should be on only patriotic songs. Okay, you should choose only patriotic songs, and you have to do the mimicry and acting also, and record it and share with the particular concerned teachers. And there is Rangoli competition also, right, children? You got the information already. Rangoli competition and diya decoration. Okay. Okay, children, now let us start our theme for topic. Today's topic, we are opposites. So there is a poem in your course book, page number 1. Come on. Course book, page number 1. We are opposites. Tanvisri, no yarning. Come on, open your books. Today, we'll start reading this. See? Poem, we are opposites. First, I will read out for you. Then each and every child has to read. Each and every child has to read. Yes, Ketana?
Ma'am, I have theme for course book.
Very good. Open page number 1. Yes, Rohit Chaudhary. Yes, tell me, Rohit.
Which book?
Course book, page number 1. English, open English, course book, page number 1. After the maths, see? After maths, page number 32, you have English. Come on. Now, first I'll read out for you. Then one by one, you have to read, okay? We are opposites, and I will tell you more. I say after, and you say before. I look up, and you look down. I like to run. You like to walk. You say stop, and I say go. We are opposites. I told you so. I think it's hot. You think it's cold. I say it's new. You say it's old. You come in and I go out. We are opposites. Let's give a short shout out. Okay. So here we have opposites. See here, children. After opposites, yesterday in our previous class, we have discussed what are opposites. It's completely different from someone or something. Yeah, completely different. After opposite, what is given here? After opposite, before. After. Next one, up. Up, opposite, down. Up, opposite, down. Look at the screen, children, everyone. Up. Show me, where is up? Show. Up, opposite, down. Yes. Now run. Run, opposite. Run, opposite. Walk. Walk. Run, opposite. Walk. Stop. Stop, opposite. Stop, opposite. Go. Stop, opposite. Go. Hot. Oh, it's too hot. It's sunny outside, right? It's too hot. Hot, opposite. Cold. Now winter started. It's winter. We are feeling very cold. We wear sweaters, right? Hot, opposite. Cold. Good. New. Wow, new. I got a new dress. I got a new pencil. I got a new, yes, book. Now, new opposite. Old. Old. Yeah? Okay. In. In, opposite. Out. In, opposite. Out. Good. So these are a few opposites, children. Now one by one you have to read four lines. Okay. Let us start with Sai Ritvik Reddy. Sai
Yes,
Ritvik,
ma'am.
come on, start.
Yes, ma'am.
Sai Ritvik, start the poem.
After opposite.
No, you tell we are opposites.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading, beta. First line.
After opposite before.
Okay, directly you are going to read the opposites, huh? Very smart. Okay. Hayati,
Yes, ma'am.
start reading first poem, first four lines.
We are opposites.
Huh?
And
I will tell you more.
I will tell you more.
Very good. Now listen, children.
I say.
Huh?
I say.
I say what? Give me one word. I say
After.
okay, I say after. Vinith,
Yes, ma'am.
give me the opposite of that. Fast, fast. Don't waste time. Veda said, I say
Correct.
after. And you have to tell Vinith, I say before.
Before.
Very good. Very good. So be attentive in the class, children. What your friends are giving, that you have to listen carefully. Tanushree and Rohit. Sorry, Tarini. Sorry, Tarini. Tarini, give. Come on. Start.
I look up.
Come on, Rohit. She said, I look up.
I look down.
Very good. That's great. Good. Now, Ananya and Tanvi. Come on, Ananya.
I say run.
She's telling I say run. Yes, Janvi.
I say walk.
Very good. Very good. Good. Now, Hayati and Dhriti. Hayati and Dhriti. Come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Hayati,
Yes, ma'am.
come on. Tell. I say. Fast.
I say stop.
Okay. Dhriti.
I say go. And I say go.
Very good. Fantastic. Joshit. Siddharth.
Ma'am.
Sai Joshit and Siddharth. Come on,
Ma'am.
Joshit, fast. You can give your own opposites also. Not you can no need of following only the textbook. If you know other words also, you can use. Come on, Joshit, fast.
I think it's hard.
Okay, Siddharth.
Ma'am, no. Course book or textbook?
Oh, Siddharth, course book page number 1. Okay, Sai Ritvik. Sai Ritvik is already done, no? Veda done. Brinda. Brinda, unmute yourself. Brinda. What happened, Brinda? I cannot unmute you. Brinda, leave the class and join again. Advait Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come on, start.
You coming.
You come in. Okay. Ronald, give the answer.
I go out.
Very good. Next, Bhavashit.
Yes. Mama. Get out, Sari. I look up. Mama.
Ayan. I look up, he said. Come on.
Ma'am, this one.
Yes.
Mama.
He said, I look up, Ayan. Give me the answer. I look up, he said.
I look up this one.
Now you tell the answer. I look down.
I look down.
Yes. Children. Ketana Raghava.
Ma'am.
Yes.
I said
Come
cold.
on.
I said cold.
I said cold. Okay. Now, Ritvik, you tell me, Sai Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
He said, I say cold. You tell the answer.
I fall.
I say hot.
I say hot.
Cold opposite is hot. Okay. Children, did I miss any child? Raise hand, please. Raise your hand symbol. Hand symbol, please raise. If I miss any child. Siddharth, you have already done, Siddharth.
No, ma'am.
Okay, you give an opposite. Tell me.
I look up.
Okay, what is the opposite of I look up?
I look down.
Very good, very good. Very good, children. So, this is the poem. Okay, very good. Now, open your course book, page number 3. See, there are 2 umbrellas. Now, we are going to write the opposites from the poem. Okay, what are the opposites are given in the poem that you have to see and write here in the umbrella. Come on, take page number 3. I'm going to share the screen. Yeah. So can you see, children? Are you able to see? Show me thumb. Can you see the screen? Okay, good. So you have 2 umbrellas here. And now we are going to write the opposites. After and before is already written. And now we will write here up and down. Next one, come on, write everyone. Before starting, you should write date here. What is date today? Come on. You have to write the date here, 13 and 11. And down you have to write C, W. Come on. Write the date and CW. Then we will write now up. Opposite. Down. Up, opposite, down. And still what are the opposites? Next what we have to write? Can you tell me? Unmute and tell me. Yeah, run opposite, walk. Very good. Come on, write. Run. R-U-N. Run. Opposite. Walk. R-U-N. Run. W-A-L-K. Walk. Run. Opposite. Walk. Run. Opposite. Walk. Now the second umbrella, what we have to write. Can you tell me? Unmute yourself and please give me the answer.
Hot, cold.
Very good. Very good. Hot, opposite, cold. Come on, right here. H-O-T. Hot, opposite. Cold. Hot, opposite, cold. And next one now. Come on, tell me the next one.
In black and white. Black and white. Yellow, is it?
No,
Black and white.
no, beta, you have to see the poem. Poem. What are the opposites are given in the poem? That you have to tell me. After hot and cold, what you have? Yes. Tarini want to say yes.
Stop. New and old.
Yeah, new and old. Very good. Come on, right there. New, opposite, old. And what's the next? What's the next, children?
Ma'am, stop. Stop. Stop, do, ma'am. Stop, do.
Okay, stop and go. You can write or in, out. You can write anything there. Stop. Okay, you can write stop, go, or in, out. Your wish. Stop. S-T. O. Oh God. O. P. Stop and go. Stop. Go. Done, children? Show me thumb. Everyone has completed. Very good. So now let us start a new topic. Fakhruddin's fridge. Let us start. Fakhruddin's fridge. Just I'll give you today introduction, and in the next class we'll discuss about the Fakhruddin fridge. First complete this. Read and write, children. Read and write all the opposites. After opposite, before. Read everyone. After, before, up, down, run, walk, hot, cold, new, old, stop, go. Done, children. I'm going to unshare the screen. I'm going to unshare the screen now.